Okay, welcome to Astrology. This is for the air trine reading for this period in November. And here I have Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Just as a reminder to you that this is the air trine and that I merge tarot and Vedic astrology for my readings at Astrology. Even when I do your Patra reading or your birth chart, this is what I do, because it gives you a more holistic, clear, complete picture of the probabilities that are open to you for the period. So here we go. This is your past, present, and future from the Lenormand 9 card spread that deals with past, present, and future. And here we have it, air trine. We have book, mice, child, bouquet, fox, clover, garden, bird, moon. And Gemini, you're dealing with Mercury, Libra, it's Venus, Aquarius, Saturn. So there's a mix. And right now there are no planets in Gemini, Libra. No, in fact, in Libra we have 3 planets. In fact, we have Sun in Libra, we have Mercury in Libra, and we also have Mars in Libra. And they will all move during the month of November to Scorpio, but right now they are all 3 in Libra, and they are being aspected by a retrograde Saturn who is in Aries. But that's a little complication that, you want a reading, I can go more in depth for that. But right now Mercury, Sun, and Mars, they are in Libra. And when Sun is so close to these planets, they are combust, but the combustion could be to a degree, a lighter degree or a harsher degree, depending on how close they are. And Mercury and Mars dealing with your speech and your not aggression, but your bravery, your courage, your will to move ahead. It is being burnt by the Sun right now in Libra. And Libra is all about balance. Libra is about being diplomatic, being social, refined, pleasing. But it's all about justice. It's all about understanding that there's a balance to life. And your balance with your speech and your bravery and courage is right now being overshadowed by the Sun. And the Sun is all about individuality, me, leadership, charisma, loyalty, endurance. But with all of those good features, the Sun could also be fire burning through something to bring it to ashes. But we can be like the phoenix and rise from the ashes. So let us see if these are the cards for us, Gemini, the air trine. And understand that air, when it blows over fire, it ignites it more, it makes it bigger. So let us keep that in the back of our mind. And we had the knowledge there was secrets in the past that brought about destruction and diseases, and in your innocence you fell into that trap. In your innocence you didn't understand the hidden meaning behind these actions or thoughts or words from those around you. You were innocent and maybe a bit naive, that at the end of the day you felt that, oh, this is why I have to suffer. Why do I have to suffer? Why am I getting these diseases? Why am I not understanding what is happening to me? But there were secrets. There were secrets that brought about this destruction, this disease, this 7 of clubs. And clubs is about complication. And the 7 of clubs is worries, anxiety, fears, stress, theft, So if all those things happen to you in the past, is because you didn't know it all and you were a bit innocent and naive in terms of what was happening around you or to you. The present brings you happiness, but there is still some manipulation. There is luck here, but at the central figure here is the fox. And the fox is all about deceit, all about slyness, all about manipulation. Clubs is all about complications. So you had complications as the central figure in the past, and you have complications as the central figure in the present. And the fox is all about somebody who is not trustworthy, who might want you to do unlawful things, who might it's a wrongness about this person, or what is happening about you. There's a wrongness to it, and that wrongness is overshadowing your happiness and the luck, the little opportunities that are coming to you. And that is what the sun is doing. You can't talk yourself out of where, and you don't have the courage to move ahead, and the cards speak to it. And I always tell you, the cards give you the probability, and here it's being aligned again. The wrongness of you being manipulated, the wrongness of you not being able to look at this person and understand how sly they are is affecting your happiness and your luck. And that is what the sun is doing right now. Justice is not coming to you, balance is not coming to you, because the sun is overshadowing Mercury and Mars. Your speech, your communication, your bravery, your courage, and your will to move forward. So that is what is happening to you in the present. In the future, social network is going to bring gossip to you. Social network is going to bring the gossip or messages. Somebody is protecting you and helping you, but that person is going to bring the gossip to you as to what is happening or had happened to you, or what would have been the secrets that are being revealed here. Because this gossip with the Seven of Diamonds tells us that it's chatter, it's discussion, it's conversation, it's talk. It is all about misunderstanding, so that it still carries to the future for you, the misunderstandings from this person manipulating you. The moon with the Eight of Hearts, the moon tells us that our mental capacity right now is about focusing, it's about recognizing the misunderstandings that this social network brings to us. It's about looking into ourselves and becoming focused, so that this month may not be a good month for you, Air Trine, but the cards are guiding you that there are misunderstandings. There are people who are sly, who are manipulating you, and the wrongness of that central card there is affecting your happiness and your luck, the opportunities. The past has come into being because you're a little innocent. Your curiosity may have led you into this troubled area where you had stress and fear, but the cards are telling you, look, this is a heads up. This is a heads up for you. Understand what is happening. The transit of the planets also bear out this misunderstanding and this obscurity, this gossip, this disease, this stress, this fear. The cards also bear that out, because you are fearful, because Mars is being overshadowed by the sun. Mercury is being overshadowed by the sun in Libra, where there is balance, or should be balance, but you don't have that balance because the planets are playing havoc with you. The cards are playing havoc with you right now. Let us see what the moon card is about with your mentality, and if there is some rainbow at the end of this, some pot of gold at the end of this, for you to understand what your mindset may be right now, for you to take the lead and understand what you may have to do. And the card is full moon. Take time to relax, recharge, and replenish your inner strength. So it's telling you, take some time out. take some time out. The cards are there telling you Sun, Mars, and Mercury will move into Scorpio, where things happen suddenly. It's transformational. Mercury is going first, so that you will have that opportunity for communication. Mercury is moving into Scorpio on the 6th of November, I believe. Mars and Sun will move around the middle, the 16th there. So your will and ambition, your courage, your bravery may still be a bit weak, but your communication will have that chance, that 2-week window, where you can take that time to relax and communicate to whom you wish to communicate, to get over this fox who is in the midst of your life right now. This fox who is sly, who is being manipulative, who will bring misunderstandings for you. So air trine, these are the probabilities. Fate, destiny, the choice is yours.